Hello everyone, this is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters YouTube channel, and we will be showing you two properties today. The first one here is listed at $99,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and exactly 2,000 square feet. It's on 272 West Littlefield Road in Ayden, North Carolina. It was built in 1901, and it's on just over an acre lot. This home needs renovation. If you're looking for a space for your hobbies, business, or equipment, this property offers over an acre and is a rare find. It has a lot of additional buildings on the outside. It includes a greenhouse. The perks: say goodbye to city taxes. Located in the county with easy access to Highway 11. The buildings: the property boasts an incredible detached two-story workshop with power, a greenhouse, and extra storage sheds. Ideal for mechanics, woodworkers, or serious gardeners. There's fruit trees on the property. There's chicken coops ready to go. It's been on the market for 44 days, and it was listed by Frank Fields, and the phone number is 252-917-9374 with Keller Williams Realty Points East. Now we can look at the photos of this property. Very nice looking on the outside, yeah. Has a
big porch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Has a mellow roof, and you're right, it does have a very large porch. It's very nice. I do like all the shrubs in front too.
And the shutters on the big windows.
Yeah. There's the street that it's on right here.
Rusty mailbox.
Yeah, and you do have a field across the street from you.
That's nice.
Has a 1-car carport right here. Here's one of the outbuildings. There's lots of outbuildings with this property. Some storage areas here. And here's the greenhouse, which is one of my favorite parts of this property. The greenhouse is really cool. This inside of it right here. It looks to be in really good shape too.
Well, they've got plants in there, so it's obviously still workable, right?
Yeah.
It needs to be cleaned up, it looks like.
Yeah. It's very good for growing food. Here's part of the backyard right here. It's got lots of nice trees outside. And here's the chicken coops they talked about. Lots of coops out here. Looks like it's ready to go for chickens, huh?
Yeah, it's ready to go for a homestead, right?
It would make the perfect homestead, yeah.
Beautiful land right there.
It is.
I don't know what those bushes are.
I don't know. I can't tell. And here's that 2-story building they talked about in the description. There's a deck outside in the back. Okay, so this is the main living area here.
Is this that little house that they had out in back? This doesn't look like the main house.
I don't know for sure. Looks to me like the main house.
Okay.
Because it leads in the kitchen over here. Looks to be pretty large to me.
That's a strange place for a bathroom.
That's a utility room, actually.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay. No wonder.
We'll see it in a second. Here's the kitchen area. There's an electric stove. White appliances, except for the dishwasher, which is black.
Yeah.
I do like the windows over the sink, too.
I like the back door.
Yeah, now here's the utility room with that sink that we saw from the living area. Water heater in here, and
it's like a washer or a dryer.
Dryer,
like
I think. Yeah.
It's got the door in the front.
And here's the formal dining area right here. It's nice chandelier, nice windows.
I'm getting allergies looking at this place.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up big time. There's the bathroom area, which needs to be cleaned up a lot and renovated. This is a fixer-upper. There's a hallway. So needs some drywall and flooring. One of the bedrooms. Got lots of windows in here, it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Assuming there's some behind these curtains here.
Yeah.
There's an additional room here. Second bathroom, it looks like. Here's what looks like another bedroom. Looks like it has a piano in here too.
So another living area?
Or a third bedroom, yeah.
Yeah. I see a closet over there. I guess that's a closet?
Probably, yeah.
So that looks like that is another a bedroom?
I'm guessing it's the third bedroom, yeah. This house has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So, here's the hallway again. Looks like you can see into a couple of the bedrooms on the right and the left.
Yeah.
And then the living room in there. Okay, let's see the map and street view on it. So it's east of Raleigh and a little northeast of Fayetteville. It's close to Greenville and Washington. It's not too far off the coast. Remember, this house is in Ayden, North Carolina.
So pretty from the street right there.
Mm-hmm.
All the landscaping they did with these little bushes right here in front, and then the landscaping around the house.
It's very nice, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It looks like they just couldn't keep up with the house. Because here, I mean, it looks really nice. Like over 2 years ago.
May 2023 is when this footage was taken. So across the street from you, of course, is this field right here. It's nice. You have a lot of privacy. And let's just look at your nearest neighbor. Your nearest neighbor is down here. And this is also your property.
Yeah, see, they've got plants here that are growing. I see some, looks like rose bush.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell what those are if they're rose bushes, and then you've got your little greenery. Everything's nice and pretty here. Can we see the driveway again?
Sure. And it is fenced off also.
That's really nice.
Paved driveway. You have a carport here, and your driveway also goes around to the back of your house back here. It's pretty cool. So you have a pretty big driveway, really.
And there's that building right back there. If you go a little bit further.
Yeah, we can't see it from here.
Can't see it from here. It's being blocked.
But yeah, the 2-story building is right there, back here. And the driveway goes up to it.
It's sad that it's in such disrepair. You know.
It is, yeah.
Beautiful place.
It is. It could really be fixed up to be very, very nice. Good piece of property. Okay, we can move on to the next property now, but I do want to remind everybody before we do to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these in the future, and to also hit the notification bell so you can be notified of our future videos when they come out. We really appreciate that. Now,
the next house is in Walnut Hill, Florida, 5731 Morgan Road. It's $100,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And it's got 1,256 square feet, and it's on a little over half an acre. It was built in 1958. It has a metal roof, new windows, an updated HVAC system. And it was been on the market for 2 days. And it's listed by John Cho, and his number is 850-602-5583, and he's with Voyage Real Estate, LLC.
This house is nice on the outside here. I like all the green grass and trees around it. It's really pretty. Has a metal roof and a 2-car carport over here.
Yeah.
It's got a little front porch too, and a flower bed too, for flowers and bushes and things. I do think it's a little unusual the air
Yeah,
conditioner is in
I
the
was
front
getting
yard.
ready to say that. I was getting ready to say, why is the air conditioner in the flower bed?
Yeah, yeah, it's unusual. Yeah, I've never seen that before, I don't think.
Mm-mm, no. It's got beautiful land and beautiful trees, like you said, though.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like more than half an acre.
It looks more like an acre, when I'm looking at it.
Yeah.
Here's the backyard area, which has a special area the owners put in
It's a
here.
wooden structure of some
A
type.
wooden structure and has lights strung from pillar to pillar. It's pretty cool. It has
Mm-hmm.
mulch down here too.
Maybe they put a fire pit out there at one time and
Could be, yeah.
sat out there around the fire pit or something.
Mm-hmm. I like the lights that they put out.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice land. There's the. Yeah, it looks like it may have been a fire pit. I see some wood out here. Here's the main living area, which has a picture window here in the front. You can see out onto the front porch from here.
Got carpet in there.
Mm-hmm.
That is a huge window.
It is, yeah. And I love it that they took pictures from multiple angles. It's always good.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And here is the kitchen and dining area. You can also see into your utility room in here. It's got quite a bit of cabinet space. Some additional cabinets here for plates and things, I guess.
Yeah.
It has a white refrigerator, but it would need a stove.
Looks like a little dollhouse. Everything white like that.
It does, actually, yeah.
I like the window.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
There's quite a lot of cabinet space.
It does. It really does. For such a small area, there's a lot of cabinet space.
Mm-hmm. They made the most of it.
They did.
Here's the utility room area, which does have a sink. It might be the bathroom sink, because the bathroom is right around this way. Here's what looks to me like a storage area, possibly a pantry. Here's that bathroom right off the utility room. This property does have 2 bathrooms. So. Here's the first bedroom, painted in bubblegum pink. Has carpeting in this room. And here's your second bathroom, which is larger. The shower tub combo. Some extra storage in here too.
It's a clean bathroom.
It is, yeah. It's nice. This would be the second bedroom, which looks like it has some built-ins.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good sized bedroom also. And the third bedroom. Here's that double car carport here. And this is the kind of basement area. You can see it from the outside. It's right next to the carport. Technically a basement, I think. Okay, now we can look at the map on this one. It is just at the very tip of the panhandle in Florida. It's close to the border of Alabama over here. It's pretty close to Mobile, Alabama. And it's west of Tallahassee and south of Montgomery, Alabama.
Now notice that it says McDavid, Florida on the map, but on the listing it says Walnut Hill.
Walnut Hill, yeah. Let's look. It says Walnut Hill, yeah. And then the map on Google Maps says
McDavid. Florida.
That's interesting. I wonder which one is accurate.
Okay, you want to see the street view?
Yeah. We're going to look at the street view here. Here it is from the outside. And there are cows next door. Look. Look at these cows.
I want to live there.
Yeah. So you don't have a lot of people around you. Across the street from you is land and a pond. It looks like more livestock back there in the background.
That is really nice.
And there's your neighbor who owns this property.
You wouldn't think this was Florida.
You wouldn't. It looks like a ranch style
Mm-hmm.
place in maybe, Tennessee or something.
Mm-hmm.
By the environment. You would not expect Florida.
And this was taken a year ago, pretty much.
Yeah, February 2025. So.
Mm-hmm.
Does have a circle drive also.
So nice.
It is very nice, yeah. And next to you just have all these trees. There's really no one that close to you.
No.
There's a neighbor down here. Next to all the cows. Right there. Okay.
Somebody's on a tractor.
Oh, yeah. Where?
I guess that somebody on that tractor, or they
looks like
just sitting there.
Looks like a trailer. We have trailer device.
Oh, I thought it was a tractor.
Yeah, it's hard to tell what that is, Interesting device, though.
All right, everybody, like he was trying to say. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video. Have a great day.